swimming pool.
Yeah, did you see it?
No, where? There?
Yeah, that's the playground. I played there.
Oh, that's the playground.
Yeah, that's the playground. And I saw the slide.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's good.
And I saw the ring.
Ano ginagawa? Ayan yung playground. Baby, be careful! Kanina niya pa gusto maglaro. Hindi pa makapaglaro kasi
Hero for me.
napa-enroll. School na.
Look. Mama,
Yes. Wow!
that's enough.
Go! One more! One more!
Hold properly, ah. Okay, enough.
Mom, to the slide. I'm climbing.
Okay, sorry, hold dry.
Wall climbing.
They're so far. I think they're so far. Sweet. Ah!
What happened?
My teeth.
Your teeth. It's okay.
They fell down. Look, my heel was shaking. Where's the other?
You just wait me. Teo, wait me.
I scared. Mama, I'm scared.
You're scared? Go.
Oh,
Wow!
Karangan nila dun, ah.
oh, I cannot go there. There's dirty.
Yeah, that's dirty.
Karangan.
Go there. Look, that's the football area. I don't like to play football, but
Where's
I
the
like
football
playing
area?
basketball. I don't like to play football, guys, but I like to play basketball,
How
guys.
about the swimming?
Yeah, that's my dream. My dream came true. Yes, my dream came true.
Saan? Ito yung football area nila.
Okay. Go there.
Turn right.
Diyan kami galing. Doon ako nagpalit.
Hi.
Turn right.
Right.
Here,
Did
here tayo sa
you
loob.
see?
We'll go inside the cage. Here. To see the swimming pool.
Ano dito guys? Mula kinder hanggang high school. For all boys lang. Yeah. Puro boys lang yung student dito. Walang girls. Where are we going?
To the swimming pool.
Swimming pool. Hey! Don't push me.
I'm gonna see you fast.
Wait, wait. Hey, where are you?
I'm there. I'm behind you. So.
Baby boy ko.
That. Why?
Dito pa lang, hinihingal na ako maglakad.
Dami, oh.
Ito. Another playground.
Brother, oh my God. Oh, look, the playground.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that where the animals stay?
Ay. Ayan. Iniikot ako ni Mati.
There you go.
Oh. Ito yung swimming pool nila.
go. That's
Baby, be
Ruby.
careful ha.
Oh, makuha
Teo, don't go.
Why?
Laki, no? Big size niya. Yung nagte-training yung iba eh.
Can I remove my
Yan.
shoes?
Mag-ano daw sa swimming.
Can I remove?
But not now.
Sali daw
You will
siya.
go back. You have no swimsuit.
Swimming na to.
You have no swimming outfit.
Don't have swimming class today.
Yeah. And this is closed. I just show you the swimming pool. This coming Sunday, you will swim.
Can I touch?
Pasukan nila is July pa naman.
Yeah. Most of them came from this school.
Football. School bus. Malapit lang to dito sa condo namin. Ay, ang layo na niya. Alam ko na kung saan ko siya hahanapin pagka magsusundo.
Mama,
Tsaga lang talaga, tsaga. Tama lang yung oras.
Kaya, saan tayo?
Oh, lalabas niya. Pwede lang tayo.
Malabas na kami. Ilan tayo, babe? Ilan? Ang init? Napagod ako mag-ikot. Leo, we need to go. No, no. Hindi, kita na. Ang batang kinder. At least ngayon magpapaiwan na siya. Magpapaiwan na. No? Ang bilis naman ito.
Tapos bibili na lang kay James.
Okay. No?
Baka-BTR natin. Sa isang studio. Sa advertising.
Pinicturan na siya kanina. Sa pasukan niya na makuha yung ID niya. Stop running, Mateo.
There's a car.
Teo.
There's a car. Don't cross. There's a car.
There's a guard, oh. Ito yung church. Yan, diyan kami lagi nagsisimba. Ilagay mo na natin sa gilid. Diyan mo na sa gilid. Water. Ayan yung simba. Yan yung church. Ayan yung school.